All right, I'm still constructing the other unit, but I wanted to try something here. I accidentally put these too close together, so I was curious if there is any benefit to having this be shorter. I think that it would be more challenging because you would have to reach in through the sides, and so we don't want any barrier to entry when it comes time to putting away shoes in particular. So I do not recommend spacing them close together, but one other advantage would be to give yourself more room for taller shoes. Now let's see if the booties are still going to fit when we just skip one rung here. That will work just fine. All right, we wouldn't need this taller height then unless you had a much taller ankle boot. So I guess it would have to have quite the heel on it and then still some height to the shoe itself. But I'm going to go ahead and adjust this down. I don't have like 400 flip-flops or any purpose to have these really tight and close together. So my pegs will be every other hole. So it's very easy to adjust. All we do is unscrew it, and then I'll be able to remove this shelf and move it down to the next slot.